Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So terrible news, and I hate doing this. We are closed this Saturday. It's a one-off, okay? Don't panic. So the 25th of January, we will be closed. We've had to do this for scheduled maintenance on our computer systems. Unfortunately, the IT gurus tell me that it needs to be down for a period of time and no one can use it. They can't, add transactions to it or search for where your product is because you're coming in to pick it up. So we've made the hard decision to actually just shut everything down for the day. All the staff are having a mini party in the background because they get a 4-day weekend and they're absolutely stoked. So we will close on Friday the 24th at 5 o'clock. We won't open the Saturday, the Sunday or the Monday because Monday is the Australia Day public holiday. And we will open again for business, bright and shiny, and everyone well rested on the 28th, on the Tuesday, the 28th of January at 9 o'clock. Again, I apologise for any inconvenience. Don't forget, you'll still be able to place orders over the web, so bullionnow.com.au. We're absolutely still taking orders. You can still send through emails, although we won't be answering them over the weekend, but we will get to them first thing Tuesday. So that's sales@bullionnow.com.au. It's only the storefront that will be closed. And again, I humbly apologise for that. And we will see you again next week.